Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to learn some important words and phrases that you might need when you're out and about on the street. Whether you're traveling, shopping, or just walking around, these words will help you feel more confident speaking English. So let's get started.
Hello. When you meet someone, say hello. Example.
Hello, can you help me?
Excuse me. Use this to politely get someone's attention. Example.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Grayson. Left, right, straight. Directions to help you find your way. Example.
Turn left at the corner. Go straight ahead.
Crosswalk. The place where you can cross the street safely. Example. 1.
Use the crosswalk to cross the road.
Map. A tool to find your way. Example.
Do you have a map?
Lost. When you don't know where you are. Example.
I am lost. Can you help me?
Neared far to describe distance. Example.
Is the park near here?
Example.
The train station is far from here.
Police. Officers who keep the streets safe. Example.
Ask the police officer for help.
Money. What you use to buy things. Example.
I need some money for the bus.
Water. A drink that you can ask for when you're thirsty. Example.
Can I have a bottle of water, please?
Toilet/washroom. A place to go when you need to use the bathroom. Example.
Where's the nearest toilet?
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. You can also improve your English by listening to my stories. Thank you for your continuous support.